Hello friends, welcome to this brand new episode of StylEnrich. In today's video, we will make a beautiful DIY Christmas tree. So let's start by taking few color papers, a small plastic pipe and an old teacup. Fold the color paper to make a cone shape as shown. Stick its edges using a glue. Wow, your cone shape is now ready. Cut a small cardboard piece and fix it inside the cone to make it strong and sturdy. Now take a plastic pipe and cover it with a color paper. This will be the trunk of our tree. We will fix it in the cup. Now take a glitter sheet, partially cut the glitter sheet pieces so that we can use them as leaves of our Christmas tree. Now take another piece of color paper and make a cone out of it. Stick this cone on the existing cone as shown. This will make it stronger. Now carefully stick the glitter sheet pieces around the cone. After that, make a base of tree trunk with a circular cardboard piece. Fix the trunk inside the Christmas tree as shown and fix it on the base. Fix our Christmas tree inside the cup so that it will stand on its own. Now let's decorate our tree further with few colored thermocol or styrofoam balls. Stick these balls on the tree as shown. Make glitter paper flowers as shown and stick them on the tree as well. It's time to cover the teacup base. So let's take a blue glitter sheet and stick it around the cup. Now stick a bead lace on it as shown. Wow, our beautiful Christmas tree is now ready. Hope you loved our today's video. If you really do, then please share this video with your friends on social media, like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Happy Christmas and happy crafting.